Assalamu alaikum. Hi, I hope everyone is healthy and well. By the grace of God, He has taken care of me too, Alhamdulillah. Greetings and congratulations to everyone who is watching this video today. I want your business to prosper. I am MD Alamgir Hussain. I am a full-time and professional grill mechanic or graphic designer. I have a lot of experience graphic design or grill mechanic field. I work for clients on different platforms online. Client satisfaction is my expectation. Can you see the designs in this video? I have made these designs for you. If you like any design from here, then get a screenshot of that design. Then show that screenshot to the mechanic brothers who are in your one area. Ask them whether they can make this design or not. If they can make this design, then discuss the details with them and place the order. Watch the full video and choose a beautiful design for your one home. Stay healthy, good luck your business. Thank you so much.